Good morning, students. In continuation of our short video series, today we're going to learn about how to calculate equivalent resistance where many resistance are connected in series and parallel combination. So we have given one circuit. This is terminal A. Okay, say this is terminal capital A. Okay, and I have one more resistance here. So the resistance value is given 40 ohm. Okay, and this resistance value is given 10 ohm. Okay, now this is terminal B, this is terminal capital B. Now suppose one more resistance is connected between this A and B. The value is given 60 ohm. Okay, and I have one more resistance connected between B and A, and the value is given as 90 ohms. Okay, now I have to calculate the equivalent resistance for two cases. First case, one, A and B are open circuited. Okay, A and B are open circuited. Okay. And the second case is when A and B are short circuited. Okay. What is meaning? So in first case, A and B are open circuited. Okay, so it's already given. So now we can see here this 40 ohm resistance. Okay, is in series with this 90 ohm resistance. Okay, and similarly, if I see this 10 ohm resistance is in series with this 60 ohm resistance. Okay, so let me draw one equivalent resistance. So we are starting from A. Okay, so A, and between A and small a, I have 40 ohm resistance. Okay, this is my small a to 40 ohm resistance, and then between A and B, I have 90 ohm resistance. So this is small a, this is capital B. I have a 90 ohm resistance. Okay, now from B to small b, I have 10 ohm resistance. So say this is my 10 ohm resistance, and this terminal is small b. Okay, and then B to A. Okay, I have 60 ohm resistance. So this is A, and B to A, I have 60 ohm resistance. Okay, now we can see here this terminal B, this 40 and 90 ohms are in series. Okay, so I have to find out total resistance between this A and B, this capital A and B. Okay, so now I can write this RT equal to these two resistance are in series. So I can write 40 plus 90. Okay, and this combination is parallel to this combination, and this has become 10 plus 60. This is 10 plus 60. Now these are in all parallel, so it will give 40 plus 90 plus 10 plus 60. Okay, so now 40 plus 90 130, and this become 200. Okay, and 200, sorry, this become 40 plus 90 130 into 70, and this total become 200. This will cancel out, so this become 91 by 2. Okay, if you solve this one, it will come as 40.5 ohms. This is the equivalent resistance when A, B are open. Okay, now we'll see second case when this A and B are short circuited. Okay, so I will use the same equivalent resistance. Okay, so now I'm short circuiting this A and B. So now what will happen? Now these two resistance become to parallel, and similarly these two resistance also become parallel. Okay, so in this case the RT, what will the RT value? So RT will be these two are parallel, so combination of these will give 40 into 60 upon 40 plus 60. Okay, so these two are now parallel, these two are parallel, and the resultant of these two are in series. Okay, so now this become 90 into 10 upon 90 plus 10. Okay, so this become 40 into 60, this is 100, so this become 24, and this become 90 into 10 upon 100, so this become 24, and this is become 9. So equivalent resistance is 33 ohm. Okay, so when AB are open, we have equivalent resistance equal to 45.5 ohm, and when we short circuit this A and B, okay, in that case the RT is equal to 33 ohm. Okay, thank you very much.